Hey girls, welcome back to Upclick. In this video, I'll be showing you how to use points on SHEIN. But first, check our special offer in the description. So let's get started. So in order for you to start using your points here in SHEIN, well, there are a few things that you may want to know. Now, in this case, the first thing that you want to do is you want to go and just start adding items into your cart. So in this case, you want to go and just select any of the items that you are seeing in here. And once you do see the items, you want to go and select these sizes and just click on the Add to Cart button. So in my case, maybe I want to add a medium here and click on Add to Cart. Now, once you've added your items, you go and click on the cart button at the top right of your screen, and this will redirect you to your cart. Now, from here, just make sure to select all the items that you want to check out. But once you've done that, go and click on the checkout with coupons that you see at the bottom right of your screen. Now, here in the checkout page, you want to go and just start adding your address, double checking your items, and even confirming your payment method. Now, it's the usual stuff here. But what you are going to look for is going to be the section for points. Now, if you scroll down a bit here, you should see the apply voucher, gift card, and even points. Now, in order for you to start using your points, if you have any in your account, you want to go and just select or press on the points actual word. So if you're not aware yet, that's an actual clickable button. So if you press or select that one, you now have the option to select how many points you want to use in here. So in this case, you want to go ahead and either manually select or enter the amount, or you can go and click on all to use all the points that you currently have and click on apply. And once you click on apply, it should, or in this case, the number of points that you're using right now will be counted towards to the discount that you're getting here. So 1 point is going to be 1 Philippine peso. If you're in the Philippines, now it depends on where you are. Sometimes it's going to 1 point is going to be like half a dollar. It actually depends, but then again, that's how you actually start using your points, and that's about it. So if you found this video, hopefully hit the like and subscribe button, and watch our next video.